I'll be filming something exciting on the mountains that will require an action camera. Now, I can spend $200, $300, $400, $500 on buying one of those. Or I can spend next to nothing and build my own thing almost for free. Also, since I'll be hiking, the less stuff and weight I carry with me, the better. So what do we always carry with us? Our smartphones. These little, well, actually, they're getting bigger and bigger, but this is quick hacks, not quick rant, so I'm just digressing. These little things have improved a lot over time, and they're now capable of shooting ultra high definition, slow motion, fast motion, augmented reality, you just name it. You can also find different add-on lenses on the market that allow you to change the field of view. So really, all I need is a lightweight support to attach the phone I already have to a helmet. That's it. Well then, let's just do it. You might wonder why I built it this way. It would have been a lot easier to do it with a piece of wood and a couple of screws. Well, let me tell you, I get shivers when I see people on a bike or motorcycle with an action camera on their helmet. Something meant to save your life can become absolutely useless when you fiddle with it. Because in case of an impact, a piece of hard plastic or worse, a metal screw could easily go through a helmet. Ta-da! That's why I designed something flimsy. If I fall, I'm okay with losing or cracking my phone. Not okay to get screwed in the head. Anyway, that's it for today. I am looking forward to showing you my homemade action camera in action. Stay tuned. Oh, I know what you're thinking. Oh, but my GoPro has voice activation. Hey Siri, record a video. Ta-da!